Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the advanced voice activity feature on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the app settings section and click on voice. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and here you can find the advanced voice activity feature. As you can see, turning this off may help if your voice is not being detected by the automatic input sensitivity. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this button on the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.